All right, Chris is back, and good to see everyone. Welcome to MyCPE ONE. Now it's the time again where we reveal the top 10 courses for the month. And these are hand-picked courses that'll help you excel in accounting, taxes, finance, HR, and personal development. So let's begin the countdown starting at number 10. So we have Roth IRA Conversions and the Impact of 2025 Tax Reform by Robert Keebler. Here, explore how the 2025 tax reforms could reshape Roth IRA conversions and learn tax strategies to optimize your savings. Number 9, it's Direct Indexing and Tax Loss Harvesting, Maximizing Tax Savings by Eric Mangle. Uncover powerful tax-efficient investment strategies to minimize losses, maximize your returns. Number 8 is IFRS 19, Subsidiaries Without Public Accountability Disclosures by Michael Morley. Gain insights to the latest IFRS standards and how they impact financial reporting for private subsidiaries. Next up at 7, we have HR's Guide to Surviving Employee Lawsuits, Defending Your Org by David Miklas. This is a must-attend course for HR professionals. It's going to cover strategies to navigate legal challenges and safeguard your organization. Number 6, 1031 Exchanges and Real Estate Strategies for Retirement by Rich Arzaga. Discover how 1031 exchanges can be leveraged to build a tax-efficient real estate portfolio for retirement planning. Now we have at number 5, it's Agile Audit Planning, Prioritize Risk, Maximize Impact by Toby DeRoche. Learn how to apply Agile principles to audit planning, so ensuring high-impact results. Number 4 is Excel Meets AI. How Microsoft Copilot can help save you time by Michael Thomas. Get hands-on with Microsoft Copilot and see how AI can revolutionize your Excel workflows. Number 3, we have the Tax Advisor's Technical Toolkit. It's a tongue twister. Episode number 8, Tax Tactics for Deferring and Eliminating Capital Gains by Jackie Meyer. Here you'll learn the latest strategies for reducing capital gains tax liabilities and enhancing your wealth preservation. 2 is AI-Powered Fraud, Boosting Your Information Security Measures by Roderick Chambers. Stay ahead of cybersecurity threats by understanding how AI is being used in fraud detection and prevention. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, we have Trump's New Tax Policy Changes and Implications for the 2025 Tax Season by Crystal Stranger. Get expert insights into how potential tax policy shifts could impact planning for the upcoming tax season. We're going to have a few bonus courses here. Another one is the 1099 and W-9 Update, Complying with IRS Information Reporting by Miles Hutchinson. Stay up to date with IRS reporting requirements to avoid costly penalties. Next up, IRS 90-Day Letters, Timely Responses to Avoid Penalties by Mark Dombrowski. Learn how to effectively respond to IRS notices and protect your clients. ChatGPT for HR, Mastering Best Practices and Avoiding Pitfalls by Suzanne Lucas. And discover how HR professionals can use AI ethically and efficiently. ChatGPT for Hiring with EEOC Compliance and Bias-Free Decisions by Suzanne Lucas. Ensure fair hiring practices with AI-driven recruitment strategies. So these are January 2025's top 10 courses from MyCPE ONE. Whether you're looking to stay CP compliant, enhance your technology skills, or preparing for the latest tax updates, MyCPE ONE has got you covered. You know this, right? Subscribe to MyCPE ONE today and gain unlimited access to all the courses mentioned, as well as an addition of over 13,000 hours. Stay tuned for next month's top courses. Ladies and gentlemen, let's keep expanding your knowledge with our full array of expert-led sessions. For now, take care. Bye-bye.